Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Indian report for the 4th of August. So we're looking at the top here. From this low here, we're very clear on wave 1 and 2 here, and wave 3 has been traveling quite nicely, so we can call a top in for that. And we're looking at wave 4 here. So with wave 4 here, we're looking pretty much as an A wave, B wave and C wave here that can pull down to the wave 4 of one lesser degree, which will be the 38.2% retracement level here, and then we'll see wave 5 to the upside here. The question is, do we trade this little move up through here next? Let's go in and have a closer look. So on the 4-hour chart here, we can label it like this here, with wave 3 top in play here, and an A wave here, a B wave here, and then a C wave to the downside. So in this instance here, we'll call that low in for the A wave. That's quite nice there, as well as a 50-60%, because we've got this old high here and all this consolidation there. So that little bit of history, that little bit of memory will help that. So we should be looking at a 3-wave structure here. Whoops, a daisy, where did that go to? I'll have to stop drinking first thing in the morning. So 5 waves after that here, which should break the trend line through here as well, this trend line here I'm talking about. So yeah, an A wave, a B wave and a C wave here. The question is, do we trade this up through here, and do we have any mistakes here as well? So we've got 1 and 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3rd wave, an A and a B for the 4th wave. It's a bit messy in here, I have to say. I mean, what I'm concerned about here, just by the by, is I'm just a little bit concerned that we have, I'll better leave that there, but what I'm concerned about is that this here, that we don't have like here as an A wave here, a B wave here and a C wave here, and then we go straight up from here. That's what concerns me a little bit, you know. I don't like to miss the bus. So I think that we will look to move in through here. So let's go in here and take a closer look at this here. So what I was doing here, or last time we spoke, I can't really remember what we talked about here, but we had the top in play here. We're looking at wave 1 and 2 here. Let's just straighten these up a little bit. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3rd wave here, 4th wave here, and then down for 1 here, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. So that low's in place here for that. So this market can move up here into this space here, but the problem with that is that we will end up seeing it like this here before we see any downside. But there could be, I'll just put that neutral there, because we could actually go up from this point. And the reason for this is, when I look at, we're just trying to confirm it with the Nikkei and the Australian market and so on and so on, it looks like their wave 4s here could also be completed as well, could be completed. So not that India has to do the same as everybody else, it's not normally the case. So but I'm just a bit concerned. So what I was going to do is, it looks like we've got a little impulse wave here, is actually go long above that little high here with half a position here, or you can do a full position, and then we'll look for a full position once we've got support on 11,000. So we're looking for a classic trading levels pattern sitting on that. So we'll be looking at something like this here. So that's the 11,000. We'll see the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and then over to here, and we'll push up from that point. But we should see some swings across that particular level here, a little bit like this here in reverse, really, this sort of move here, but it should be tighter than this because it's creeping and climbing. Rather, this is already dropped here, so it'll have a stronger bounce. Yes, so this also could be 1 and 2 here, and 3 and 4 and 5 up here for this move, and then coming back as an ABC. So if I just make that a little bit clearer here, and I'm only guessing here as well, so a bit of the guessing game. So 1 and 2 here, and then nice strong third wave here, fourth wave here, fifth wave here, and then an A and a B and a C wave here, and then a push up to here in 5 waves. So realistically, this thing here with a little bit of refinement should go over here, just over here somewhere. There's many ways to get into this, of course. You could, depends on how this looks, you could draw a line through here. You should see this whole classic trading levels pattern here in a very smaller version sitting in here. That's what I like to look for, and then build in. So what I'm thinking is that let's just move into this market and let's just see what it looks like at this point. And we'll also look at what the Nikkei and other markets are doing that have got much the same patterns as well, okay, at that particular point in time. So I'll leave it at that, and thank you for tuning in. Appreciate the support. Cheers.